Hello, in this video I will tell you how to install a Laravel project on GitHub. First, I went to laravel.com, officially Laravel's website. At the bottom left, we will go to the GitHub page, going down this way. Here, we click on the GitHub icon. Let's come to the repositories part here. Here will be the Laravel repository. Well, I clicked on that. I will have to download this when I get here. When I click on the code part, a URL appears here. I copied this URL. Then I will go to the terminal section on my computer. In the terminal section, I need to download the git bash program as follows in order for the git command to work. Here, you can download it according to the operating system. Then I go to my terminal. When am I? Now I am on my desktop and type git colon. Then I do command V and paste it into the URL. Laravel files are downloading to the desktop now. After the download is finished, I enter the Laravel folder with the CD. I typed Laravel and entered. I wrote CD Laravel. We can do it here too. I will do it this way, using Visual Studio Code as the editor. I open the folder from here. I came to the file here. I clicked Open Folder. Then I find the desktop from here. The Laravel folder here is our download folder. I open this then folder. From here I can now close my terminal here. I will use my terminal in this Visual Studio Code terminal. From there I clicked on New Terminal. I say Composer install from here. When you say Composer install, the packages will be installed in the vendor folder here. And the folder and the vendor folder has arrived as follows, and the packages have been installed. Our next action, I am creating another one by copying the env file here. I copy it and paste it again with command V. I am renaming it. I rename it so that only the env remains. Env file has been created. Here are my global variables. I will explain this in detail in later chapters. Then I call phpartisan serve to run it. It started working on localhost port 8000. I typed localhost 8000 to show this in Google Chrome and got an error like this. This error is the error that you don't have a key. It says that the following field in the env file is empty. We can fix this error in two different ways. We can type this command in the terminal or click the button here to make this command work. Let's click this button. We have successfully enjoyed ourselves. We can take a look here. Then I refresh the page and our website is opened. So our Laravel project has been established. So how did it come to this view? Let's examine it. When I go to the roots folder here, there is web.php. When I look here, So my root in the home directory is visible. When I looked here, it returned the welcome view to us in the root. We see that this welcome view is in resources in the views folder, and we have shown that. This is how we installed it. See you in the next chapters.